Hello, folks. This story was sent to me by a subscriber and is intended for educational purposes only. Thank you for watching. 800 micrograms, LSD. The day the fridge tried to escape, I'd heard people say LSD changes your perception, warps reality, turns your brain inside out, but I wasn't prepared for the day my fridge decided it wanted out. I took a hefty 800 micrograms on a lazy Saturday afternoon, expecting some colorful patterns and giggles. What I got instead was a cosmic showdown between me and the most stubborn kitchen appliance in the universe. The trip started innocently enough. Colors bled like wet watercolors. Walls melted into soft waves, and my playlist felt like it was narrating my thoughts. But then I noticed it. The fridge was different. It wasn't just humming in the background anymore. It was alive, not metaphorically, but like full-on sentient, with thoughts, feelings, and a mission. At first, it was subtle. The fridge's door handle twitched ever so slightly, as if it was twitching an eyebrow at me. Then the magnets on the door rearranged themselves into cryptic smiley faces and cryptograms that made absolutely no sense. Or maybe they did. But my brain was too scrambled to decode them. I swear the fridge was trying to communicate. I approached it cautiously. "Hey, fridge, you okay?" I whispered, half expecting it to answer back. To my shock, it did, but not in words. Instead, my mind was flooded with a montage of memories from the fridge's life. The endless nights it had stood guard over leftovers. The heartbreak of forgotten leftovers turned science experiments. The silent screams of... Suddenly, the fridge shuddered violently. The door creaked open, just a crack, and then slammed shut, as if annoyed at my curiosity. I stumbled back, heart racing. It was clear now. My fridge was plotting an escape. The kitchen floor looked like a runway, and the fridge's coils glistened with anticipation, ready to rocket off to freedom. Then, things got bizarre. The fridge sprouted wheels, shiny, cartoonish wheels, and revved like a motorbike. I swear I heard it roar like a wild beast. It started inching forward, slowly at first, then faster. My kitchen became a racetrack. I dove out of the way just in time as the fridge zoomed past me, bumping into the cabinets with a loud thud. I tried to catch it, yelling apologies and pleading for peace. But the fridge was on a mission. It wanted to explore the outside world. I imagined it meeting other appliances, starting a revolution where microwaves and toasters banded together for better treatment. In the middle of this chase, the fridge suddenly stopped at the doorway, as if reconsidering. The sunlight streaming in seemed to beckon it, whispering promises of fresh air and freedom. I reached out my hand, hoping to convince it to stay. After all, who else would keep my drinks cold? To my surprise, it hummed softly, the equivalent of a reluctant sigh. The fridge's door opened once more, and inside, the bottles and leftovers seemed to wave goodbye. The fridge was ready, and then, as if obeying some cosmic rule, it rolled back to its original spot, shutting the door gently behind it. The kitchen returned to normal. The walls stopped breathing, the magnets froze in place, and my playlist mellowed back to background noise. But I knew my fridge had dreams, and maybe one day, when the stars aligned and I wasn't watching, it might just try again. I sat back down, exhausted but grinning. realizing that on LSD even your fridge can have wild ambitions. And honestly, it made me appreciate that little humming monster a bit more, even if it occasionally plots its great escape.